大家好, everybody. Welcome back. We're right outside of Dihua Street, one of the oldest streets here in Taiwan. And it's the official or unofficial area for the Lunar New Year supplies. Let's go check it out.
This is not a festival street, it just looks like one. What you're seeing here is preparation, pressure, deadlines. For a few weeks before Chinese New Year, this street becomes the busiest shopping corridor in Taipei. Not because it's beautiful, because it works. People don't come here to wander, they come here to finish something. Let's go check it out. Before we dive in, one quick thing, guys. Your hype points reset today. Hypes help smaller channels like this one get seen by more people. Hitting that button is an easy way to support the channel, and I really appreciate it. This is Dihua Street here in Dadaocheng area of Taipei. During most of the year, it's a calm area full of traditional shops, old facades. It's a working street with a very long history. But during Chinese New Year, all that gets compressed. Weeks of household preparation gets pushed into a handful of days where they all end up right here. At first glance, it looks chaotic. Crowds moving in every direction, people brushing past each other, vendors calling out non-stop. But look closer. People aren't just browsing. They're checking weight, counting qualities, doing the mental math. Most of what's being bought here isn't for today. It's for family dinners, for visiting relatives, for elders, for the office, for offerings. That's why everything comes in bulk and why no one is just buying one thing.
Chinese New Year. So
This area has been a trading street since the early 1800s. Long before tourism, long before cameras, this is where goods moved in and out of Taipei. Tea, herbs, dry foods, everyday necessities. Once a year, during Chinese New Year, that old purpose comes back at full volume.
very smart, blowing the snow.
For locals, this trip is intentional. Many people come here once a year. They already know which shops they trust. They already know what they're going to buy. You'll see the same pattern over and over. In, order, bag, out. No lingering, no small talk. Even the vendors move differently during this season. Faster hands, shorter conversations. They're not performing tradition, they're executing it. Chinese New Year isn't just a holiday, it's a reset. Homes get cleaned, debits get settled, food gets prepared. This street carries a lot of that weight. Every bag you see represents a gathering somewhere else. Every box is tied to a family table you'll never see. That's why this place feels so urgent and why it doesn't slow down till the very last day before the holiday starts. If you're visiting Taipei during Chinese New Year, this is one of the most intense ways to experience the city. But it does help to understand what you're walking into. This isn't a night mark, and it's not designed specifically for sightseeing. The best times to come earlier in the season or earlier in the day before the crowds peak. And even if you don't buy much, you're watching a city prepare itself. That's something you don't get to see as a visitor very often. Let's go check it out. We have a lot of dried fruits, nuts, even things like squid. Every place celebrates Chinese New Year differently. Some celebrate with fireworks, others with parades. Taipei, they prepare. And for the next few weeks, every year, that preparation concentrates on this street. Now, once the Chinese New Year arrives, Dihua Street will quiet down again. The work is finished. The holiday moves on. But for now, this is where it all happens. More dry goods. Cookies.
All right, guys, that brings us to the end of the video here on Dihua Street and the Lunar New Year Festival. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, guys, Dai Dao, Dai Jen. See you on the next video.